Yes, my people. My farm I depend on. I'm a farmer. So I have a land plow up yesterday. Where I want to go down there, but first go down to go look on the dash in them when me clean out cause bush up, pear bush. So again, me I talk about the firearm when me don't get from the government yet. And you see, all of that cane they gone. I cane me I push off, no cane used to there so, but me push off cane. Cane gone way back so. And cane gone way over so. Way back to the hillside over so. Gone way around so. Gone around this one. Alright, so see the dash in man. Now clean out because as I say work a bush. Small as I see them there. Get some big dash in from underneath them. So I have some more over there so I bush over there so I need to go weed out and thing. Mr. One. But I guess my government I feel like me qualify to get a firearm to protect myself when me in them busher. Cause right now me and my wife there down here I do the clean out. I have to plant back some of them dash in here. Can't say a wall. Me plant one this one, me dig out. But all of them row here. Clean out. Down here so the grass get thicker down here so. All of this dash in. Wipe our grass and so I clean out the better still. But while me there in them bush I clean out the cane so. Mile and all of this So I dash in them dig out here. Yeah. I dig out some more, some woolly pop this one. But yeah. So while I'm in them bush I work and I feel and me weed whack it not too long ago. I get back on it in a little bit, but I'm just saying I do a video. I do one already, I know. Have a lawyer work on the firearm case. Because I must say true, as I said before, I apply for firearm long time and thing and I not get through. Them never give me a reason still, but I not get through, so I get a lawyer on it. And the lawyer come like say have me a spin round like a gig. I call him and the man I'll tell me so one time man tell me say don't me mustn't call him back. When he hear something he will call me. It's an appeal him put in for me Appeal And around 2 years now him put in an appeal And the man tell me say don't call him back. Excuse me, wait till him call me. So you know then look a spatch where you see dash in. Tell you the truth I look a ghetto them one I saw So man them come in the field and take out all the dash in sucker. Me say dash in sucker I must $25 or 1 hour something like that. But one of them places are dash in the plant. But the plant the dash in and man just come in and feel like say you just take out some dash in. So yeah, back to the lawyer. The lawyer one at a time I call him and he couldn't really hear me. I said, boss man, there seems like something wrong with the line, man. And people don't believe me, but the lawyer tell me to fuck off, Seriously, man, say fuck off. Nothing wrong with the line. I said, John, no. Come like that man, I look a reason for me tell him, say, yo, not bother with the case or something. Because I don't see a reason why he tell me that. But me have it on record and one day I'm going to release it. So, look forward for that. Me have it on recording. So, he tell me to fuck off. Many more rude stuff me get out of the man there. The man there. Very rude. Them liar down in Jamaica, them now. Then I know if to talk to people. Then don't go by the books. Alright, over here, so I need to clean back over here so again. Dashing, me to take out some dashing out there, so I need to clean it out and plant up. Plant up some more. Dashing and hide. Dashing in there, so about me to reap them. So I need to clean it back up. As far as the eyes can see, way down so now. My one, you know. So then I them feel yeah. No firearm. Then give who they want to give firearm down. So that's the truth, man. Them tell lie for me America and send me to come to Jamaica. And feel like say they mustn't give me no firearm down here because man them of America kill off a man I tell lie. So you come to your country because them tell lie on you. If you come here sir, and don't have nothing to protect yourself. So that's how free black government fool. Think about the people. If a man them a kill people on camera and not tell lie, how much people you think them put in a prison and tell lie? You know, just think about it. You know, think more people in a prison when they tell lie pan. Now with them murder and tell lie. Alright, so I look a spot where I start plant some dashing, I go down the way there. All of them places I plant after dashing. So start planting some dashing here. And look still. Need some rain. So I plant after the rain we gone on so. So I plow up here so, as I said yesterday. Tell you the truth, I'm not in the corona so come look, but the man not plow good. It's not plow good at all. I tend to come back and plow this thing. It's not look good. Then corona I know. I'm there I know, but I there do some work. Maybe true kind of wet too. You need to come deal with this better, man. So from where on the front come where on so. I plow up. Plow good at all. Up the other part. Maybe dry part kinda. Go look better. Oh yeah. So as I say, all of them places I know. Tell the truth people, if you don't want to buy the land here, you know, only per acre, you know, I think about sell it, you know. Sell it and run left Jamaica because it don't make no sense. But there so. And I have nothing to protect myself. Then I them back bush and tell the truth and I hear some come from and this a parish me come from. Come from another parish. So if you're interested in a whole heap of acre land, whole heap, you can leave me in the comment section because I'm going to need to sell it and run left this place because the place is not run good. When I listen to now I run good none at all. When I listen to something this morning, I hear them say, I didn't know this already still. If you have a youth and them a get trouble, then I have no way to send the youth more than juvenile. People up at the farm I go up on the hill. So Jamaica send people where I give trouble. You have a child where I give trouble. Them send them guy juvenile. Alright. What type of country this is? You want to tell me say you're not convicted, you're not charged, but then send a guy juvenile. You see country a full country. And you sit down there sir. All right. All of the land there. Far no. On the camera it look like not that big. I can't go up. You see bush I mean? I'm gonna have a gun. I come up here some more time. I kind of abandon the field. I plant look a bit of cassava up here. So I'm in the bush. I'm planting sweet potato up here. But I kinda I go plant just cassava up here, so. So I get up a sweet potato. Tired, no I lie. Come here the whole parade today for come climb the hill and now. For come show you. So I dig out some cassava here. I plant them cassava here to get cassava stick. So up here some I just plant cassava up here. So now cassava nice. I cook some more and it's nice. I tell you. So up here some rope, you know. Up here some rope going all the way up. Take a look again, people. All I land down there, so. On the flat. My one. I'm gonna get a firearm to protect myself. And I cut that tree, you know. So that means that somebody come up here. And I cut that. Alright. People I love to carry and show, you know. All the way around. I'm making a see how much land there bamboo, what for bamboo. So you go all the way down here, way far. Never walk. Never really walk all of that land. Tell you the truth, never really walk all of it. See a man all do gardening on the land. See a man garden there. Because when I take control of the land, I come to garden. And I find out, say, there's a youth that live down in the community there. And garden, so I don't come from here, so I just have to just go and ease myself and make them. So, people, I now go all the way around this one. I love to carry and show you. Around the corner and things. Push them out. Tell you the truth, I come and see the place a burn, you know. Because them bush I turn up tall, you know. And I come and see burn down and them set fire. They set fire. I want to tell you something down here one time I see me key and I burn down on the other side. And when the man already set fire, come here say, them fine. They set the fire and then look for yam. Like, then just, I guess they can see yam them. Yam them. So. But yeah, all of the land, all like gone around and gone back around on the other side. Come back around. So, I have to do my farming and no protection. I want to tell you some other time I call FLA. Listen to this, people. Me almost go broke at Jamaica. Because I'm afraid to come here and do farming. I have land. Can't pay my taxes them. And afraid to come to farming. I'm just afraid. Not really afraid no, but I just kind of, you know, do out of your ear and thing and say I don't. Say I do say I do farming down them places. You feel uncomfortable with it. In a bush to yourself. So many really want to come do the farming. So I call FLA and I ask them how come I not get through with my firearm yet. And them say them waiting. So I explain to them, say boy I want to go do my farming because I get broken now. And I just want to go do farming in a bush without something. And I explain to them, say, I have to ask a friend who have a firearm, licensed firearm, to come with me every time I go do. And you know what FLA tell me, say, that's illegal. A person with a licensed firearm me can't ask them to come watch over me or whatever. And that the lady said to me. So it's illegal. So that means, yo, we just get shag all the way around. Get shag all the way around. So when me say, yo, me can't hold out no longer, me start the farming. And me have to just thank God. Same guide and protect me and everything is alright. Because I don't want no firearm to shoot nobody, you know. I just want to protect myself. I don't want to shoot nobody. I don't want to kill nobody. I want, when God judge me, He not judge me for murder. So it's just protection in case. Me dey on the farm already and see one guy I come towards the farm. In a hoodie. And I tell the truth. Me dey afraid. Come here, so wait. And when me look good, it was somebody when me recognize from the neighborhood. Same I go look bamboo. You know how frightening that was? If they have a firearm, me could at least just stand up and watch him and ask him not to come no close until me can recognize her. Oh, that day them have to just stand up. And I said to myself, say boy, I try to run if him try to pull something, you know. So the place bush up bad. I come here often, I just come here often. Just there around. When Monday, come here do some work and come back again Thursday and there till today. So I'm back here then. So yeah, I come here often. Some people just want to show that and share that, you know. Jamaica is a place. And you know what? I listened to Mota Baruka yesterday, February 4th, 2021. Only listen to one day. Listen to the program there. Mota Baruka, trust me. Brother smart, man. Brother have a heart. Jamaica is a place. And another thing, listen to Tana Stevens' new song. Yeah, man, the new song that we should do, man. Listen to it. Smart. Smart lady that. Them people that know what's going on in the country. Country, man, trust me. Everybody I feel it. Only cook alone I feel it in Jamaica. And people have them big job and politicians. We say it long time. We say it long time for yo. You know. A man them hungry. And the girls them have to sell them something to go to school. Talk about them things a long time. So these people go around the country, women we have to sell them something to go to college. And them I go around the country, a future generation. Because you see, the government don't want to interact with the people, man, really. Them get the vote, the man, as soon as they get the vote, them vanish. And them act like them better than everybody else. But before election, them afraid, like an embassy them go. They make people pray all over them. You see? But as they win, they don't remember about we. People struggling is real. Trust me, I tell you that. Even though I'm a farmer, I do my thing. It's rough. Rough. You can't find the good people them to come work with you. You can't find them good people. That's why I have to put enough I work myself. Alright, so I talk about my people there. See people walk through the place without cutlass. I don't know if you can see them. But people walk through the place right now without cutlass, you see. I don't want to point the camera straight by them. But they like a woman. My youth. Hey, what one? Huh? So now though. You can see say a plant and I rope there so now. So I can't walk. Couldn't they walk around away? I wanna go for. Where I go for? Huh? But where I go for though? I mean one place now. I mean one place now. But it ain't good if I walk around and walk through the other way though now. Instead of walk through where I plow up. But you can't go on that time here still. Can't go on that time here. But next time you just walk around the other way. I wanna go look. Bamboo. I wanna look bamboo. Alright. So you see that? That me I tell you about, man. That's I hope me catch up on the video. You see? Them things I may tell you about, man. You want to play some people just watch. And true, I don't want no vibes. I don't want no vibes, I just play it that way there. See? So I talk about how Jamaica land run. You know? If the country is set right where we don't have this problem. Because you know in the America and go watch two people play. So mad. Police, you don't have to even call police. Police are pass through and see a tap through people play. Tap through somewhere you look like you should not tap through then call you. You see? Jamaican people don't respect. They know some me want it, you know. They know some me want it. But then they expect them to run up and see me. So, I don't know if you can see, my battery low still, so I put a sign there so. So one road that come from one of them neighborhood around there so. And go so. And all them have to do, I come here so. They shouldn't come from my land, none at all. I mean I like that, none at all, but what am I going to do? So, then couldn't come through the local road there so. And go so. And where them I go from my land I go. Then I look bamboo. So I'm something them I reap. Alright. I will end this and get back to work. As I say, maybe I want China and white man if I buy that land because they now go come from the China and white man land. Just step up on the land. But you see true maybe a police and a soldier land. They now go step up on for them on. But what can I do? But what I always say my people, be blessed. One God.